Welcome today to Maquinaria Tomás Guillén. We present the TranSlicer 2510 cutter from the Urschel brand, an innovative tool designed to optimize the processing of fresh fruits and vegetables. Perfect for companies looking to increase efficiency in their operations. This equipment is designed to handle compressible products up to 203 mm in diameter and firm products of 171 mm, adapting to different needs with the possibility of making pre-cuts if necessary. In addition, it features an optional clamping system that ensures a constant feed and high-precision cuts. Its interchangeable stainless steel cutting blades with a diameter of 25 inches offer exceptional versatility, allowing for slicing, julienne cuts, and shredding. These features, combined with a precise adjustment between the blades, the cutting wheel, and the speed of the feed belt, ensure consistent results tailored to production demands without interruptions in the operational flow. The TranSlicer 2510 also stands out for its sanitary design. Made entirely of stainless steel, it features sloped surfaces that prevent bacterial growth and hinged access panels that facilitate cleaning and maintenance tasks. In addition, the design of separate sanitary zones isolates the mechanical components from the areas in contact with food, complying with the highest food safety standards. This equipment is designed to operate in continuous operations while maintaining a high level of productivity. Its frequency converter allows for precise speed control, optimizing energy consumption and ensuring consistent performance, even in large production volumes. At Maquinaria Tomás Guillén, know how important it is to have quality equipment to maximize operational efficiency. With the TranSlicer 2510, our customers have at their disposal a robust and versatile tool that improves the processing of fresh foods. Do not hesitate to contact us for more information and to learn about the other cutters in stock available at our facilities. At Maquinaria Tomás Guillén, we are here to help you reach new levels of production with solutions designed for success. Best regards.